Hi guys, today you've reached Everett Johnston again, author of Commercial Plumbing Maintenance. Now you've got to remember this book, Amazon.com. We're going to be grinding metal bits. They could be wood bits too. I'm going to show you a trick that was taught to me by my wife's grandfather, who was a tool and die maker for like 40-50 years. Now you can see this book. Okay, it shows I'm a commercial plumber and stuff. I'm talking quietly because when I turn on this bench grinder, it's going to be loud. Okay, so you're going to take a bit. This is normally what I do as a pilot bit, and I'm going to grind this. And you can keep grinding this down all the way down here as you use it over the years or months or weeks or whatever. This tip will keep grinding and it'll make you some deep cuts in metal. And then the next video will show you what I did. Okay, boss? Hang in there. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this and learn. I want to stand up. All right. Go with it. See the angle of the drill bit. Go with the angle of the drill bit. Don't be straight here. Go with the angle of the drill bit. See that? See the angle of the drill bit? Alright, now we're going to go with the larger bit. Any size bit. Wood, metal. Alright, here we go again. Wear your glasses. Do the same. Take your time. Make sure you have a nice metal wheel. Or steel. Well, normally they come with the grinder. If you buy one, you can wear it out. You know how to grind it like I do. See how pretty that is. Now the next video will show how they work. Ooh, and they work so pretty, so beautiful. Can you see me there? I know you're getting a lot of the sunlight. Take off my glasses and you can see me better. Does it really matter? How's my hair? Okay guys, till the next video. Stay plumbing. Enjoy. Buy my book. Come on now.